Welcome to GTech. Today we are going to find out the cube root without using the calculator. So here I had written the equation as cube root of 474552. Before seeing that, I will list you the step of procedure that you want to have to find out this cube root. So this is the sample table I'm having where I have illustrated the cube values from 2 to 9. So 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729. These are the basic cube root values that I need to get memorized with for the first step. Then my second step is that, so if I have a number like this, cube root of 474552 is equals to what? My first step is select the last 3-digit number. From this 474552, I have to select the last 3-digit number. The step 2 is that choose the last digit of the 3-digit. So my last digit will be 2, right? My step 3 is that cube of which number also end with the same number. So this step 3 and the step 4, which is the largest cube we can separate from the rest of the number in red, is quite typical. Let me show you how I calculated. So I am going to take out the last 3-digit number from the number that I have taken, that is 552, right? So this 474 and 552. So my last number is 552. I mentioned it is in blue color. So my last digit of that last 3-digit is 2. So cube of which also end with same number. So the 2 cube is what? 8, right? So 2 cube of is 8, and which is the largest cube we can subtract from the rest number in red. So I'm taking the rest of the number, that is 474 is my rest number, right? So I'm going to identify which cube root will fix down with this number. So I'm going back to my table. So I'm going to my table. So I can find out 7 cube is 343 and 8 cube is 512. So 7 cube 343 is less than my number. So I'm going to take this 7 cube 343. So 7 cube 343. So 343 is less than 474, right? So the number is 7 in the left side and the number is 8 in the right side. So that's the answer. Simple, right? Let me take another one example. So here my example is 54872. So last 3-digit number and the front numbers are segregated into 2. So 872 is my last number. So 2 is my last number. So 2 cube is 8 again, right? So for satisfying the constraint 54, I have to check. So which cube value will satisfy this 54 is 3, right? So 3 cube will satisfy it, right? So the answer is 38. So again, my question is 262144. So I had segregated it into 2. So 144, the last number is 4. So 4 cube is 64, right? So 64 is my place. So 4 cube is 64. I'm mentioning now. Does 64, right? So the left side I'm going to see it is 262. So this 262 is lesser when it is 6 cube, right? Before you have to see that 4 cube is 4 into 4 is 8, right? 4 into 4 into 4, right? So 4 into 4 is 8 and 8 into 4 is 64. So you have to take the digit place. So I have mentioned the 4, and this 262 will be satisfied when it is 6 cube, right? So it is 6 4. So the answer of 262144 is 64. Hope you understand. Thank you.